In this video I'm going to show you how to make a gravy from the drippings from your roasted turkey. There's a ton of flavor in the drippings here, and we don't want to let that go to waste. So I'm just going to strain in some of the fat here. I have a lot of herbs in here, some spices, all the flavor from the turkey that roasted for hours, and that's really going to give the gravy a lot of flavor. So I'm going to strain that in. I'm looking for a 1/4 cup here. If you want more gravy, you could just double this recipe. This is very easy to do. We're just doing equal parts fat and flour. So I'll add that 1/4 cup to a saucepan here. Add in my 1/4 cup of flour, and this is just all-purpose flour. And just put this on the stovetop over medium-high heat. And all we're doing here is making a roux. Whisk that in, work out all the lumps of the flour, and we're just looking to cook out the raw flavor of the flour here. I'll put up a link for my roasted turkey video where I got all the juices here from. A little over a minute of cooking here. You can see it's thickened up. It's almost like a paste, and that's the consistency that you're looking for. The raw flour is cooked out. And now I'm just going to add 2 cups of chicken stock here. If you want a darker gravy, you could just use a brown chicken stock. Or you could separate the fat from the pan drippings and use that juice as well. That works nicely. And just whisk in, taking out all the lumps. And just cook this for a couple of minutes until it thickens up. You don't want to reduce this down, just to thicken it. And this is almost 2 minutes of cooking time. You could see it significantly thickened up, and now it resembles gravy. That's just how easy this is. So I'm just going to check the consistency, check the flavor. That tastes great. A lot of flavor in that gravy. I'm just going to add a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. But the overall flavor is wonderful. With all that drippings from the turkey, it's really a flavorful gravy that complements the turkey very nicely. It's also great for your mashed potatoes. So this is ready to go. We'll just put this in a serving bowl. And this yields about 1 3/4 cups of gravy. Again, if you need more, just double up the recipe. But that's it. It's beautiful, delicious gravy from the turkey drippings. Put a little more fresh cracked pepper on top. So give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Make this gravy for your Thanksgiving dinner. We'll see you next time.